Tired of random website visitors and ready to turn them into loyal subscribers? Let's dive into how you can use MailerLite to automatically deliver lead magnets, building your email list on autopilot. First, log into your MailerLite account or create one if you haven't already, using the link in the description below. Navigate to the Forms section and click Create Embedded Form to create a sign-up form for your lead magnet. Give your form a clear and descriptive name like free ebook download and customize the form fields to collect the information you need, such as name and email address. In the settings, customize the success message subscribers will see after signing up. This is your chance to thank them and set expectations for what's to come. Now, let's set up the automation. Go to Automations and click Create Automation. Choose the trigger when subscriber joins a group. Select the group that your form adds subscribers to. This ensures that only those who signed up for your lead magnet receive the automated email. Next, add an email step to your automation. Design your email with a warm welcome, a brief explanation of the lead magnet, and most importantly, a clear call to action with a direct link to download the file. And that's it. Now, when someone subscribes through your form, MailerLite will automatically deliver your lead magnet, attracting new leads and growing your email list. Happy automating!